Welcome to the Harvard University Student Guided Walking Tour, an exciting journey through America's oldest university. This 70-minute tour offers a unique blend of history, culture, and student life, providing you with an insider's view of this prestigious institution. Our tour begins at the heart of Harvard University, Harvard Yard. This historic center is home to the university's oldest buildings and a hub of student activity. Here, you'll learn about Harvard's founding in 1636, its evolution over the centuries, and its role in American history. Your student guide will share stories about daily life at Harvard, the traditions that make this university unique, and the secrets of its iconic red brick buildings. Next, we move to Memorial Hall, a striking Gothic Revival building that stands as a tribute to Harvard alumni who fought in the Civil War. Inside, you'll find Sanders Theater, renowned for its acoustics and grandeur. Your guide will explain the hall's architectural significance and its role in university ceremonies and public lectures. One of the most photographed spots on campus is the John Harvard statue, located in front of University Hall. Often called the Statue of Three Lies, your guide will unravel the myths and legends surrounding this famous landmark. Rubbing John Harvard's foot is a time-honored tradition believed to bring good luck. The tour continues to Widener Library, the largest library in the Harvard library system and one of the largest university libraries in the world. Your guide will recount the fascinating story of its founding, dedicated in memory of Harry Elkins Widener, a Harvard alumnus who perished on the Titanic. Discover the vast collections housed within its walls and the critical role it plays in academic research. Our journey concludes at Harvard Square, a vibrant commercial center that merges the campus with the city of Cambridge. Here, you'll find a mix of shops, cafes, and street performers, reflecting the eclectic spirit of the community. Your guide will offer tips on the best places to visit, eat, and experience the local culture. Throughout the tour, your student guide will share personal insights and experiences, offering a glimpse into the life of a Harvard student. You'll hear stories of notable alumni who have walked these paths, including U.S. presidents, Nobel laureates, and influential leaders in various fields. This tour is wheelchair accessible and includes an illustrated map to help you navigate and remember your visit. Whether you're a prospective student, history buff, or curious traveler, the Harvard University Student Guided Walking Tour provides an enriching experience that you'll cherish long after you've left the campus. Meet us at Harvard Square near the Red Line subway station to begin your unforgettable journey through the storied halls of Harvard University.